It's a D675, and picked it up for a buddy. And the jaws have been hit. I've already got those ready to come off. But the vise has a lot of wear, a lot of use. My buddy, it's for a buddy, a hobby machinist, but you can see the wear pattern here. So my plan is to go ahead and break it down, surface grind the flats, and surface grind both of the jaws, and get it cleaned up as best I can. Some of these major dings, they're going to stay, but basically I get the vise so it's cherry. The fellow that sold it, he went through and put a complete rebuild kit in it, and of course he painted it and he put stickers on it. So we'll do a little bit of testing on it, and then just to check things, and we'll see where we're at. So I started grinding. Of course, this side was the high side, where it was under the fixed jaw, and within a little less than a half a thou, it started touching at the far end of the other side. So this is basically a 1 thou touch off, trying to clean up on it. So this is the vise bed after it came off the grinder, and I didn't take it all the way to total cherry. As you can see right there, there's still some pitting, but the minor amount of pitting has no effect on the actual use of the machine, the vise. And you can see basically it's running under 5/10 total run out in 16 inches. So I'm real happy with how the grind turned out. When I was on this side checking it, I was a little bit shocked as I came down the vise bed. You can see it's running real true, and I was really happy, and had to go around the corner there. And then you can see when I get over here, it's off a good 5/10, which was surprising. And I wanted to go back around and double check that again, going, why did it do that? The other side ran pretty true, and didn't understand. Checking it, being quizzical to myself, and slid the vise around so that I could again get another read on it. And as I went down the vise here, vise bed, started touching it, and there it is. It's got a little bit of warp in the bottom of it. If I hold it down, it reads 0. And that little bit of warp's not worth chasing. I'm not going to grind the underside of this vise. I stoned it and it's clean, but it's in good shape. Well, I want to grind the back push piece here on the Kurt, and you can see I've stoned it. And I've been taking readings, first just letting the unit sit on the bottom side here. I've had these sitting on parallels. I've had it sitting on a mag base. Been trying to find some sort of 0, I would guess, to grind to. And I came up with this idea. I took the jaws off of my own Kurt Vise, which are in good shape, and put them upside down, assuming that the hole centers should be perfect, and I could go ahead and use these as like parallels and set it up on the grinder and grind. So I came over here and I'm kind of hand holding you here at the same time. So call that 1.5, and down here about 5/10 over. So that's pretty square right there. I could live with that. When I put it on this other side, I'm quite a bit off on squareness, which leaves me a little bit perplexed. This is the side that pushes against the fixed jaw, it goes that way. The reason I'm checking it for squareness is that I plan on grinding this face and this face also to true them up. But my main concern is getting this guy trued. Then I can grind the backside, which is just ornamental. Let me move everything and we'll take a look at the readings. So using this corner, we've got it set at 0. And I come down to here and it's about 3 thou. Drops off some more. Come back up to 0. Yeah, it drops off similar. Now, if I flip it to the other side, let me set it up there. So I've set it on the other side, and there we are, 5/10, almost 15 thousandths lower on that side. And we go down the other side, and a little about 10 thou. So this is what's got me confused. Is there that much side-to-side wear on this part? This side to this side. I was expecting more wear front to back, but it's side to side. So setting it on these parallels or jaws, do I have a parallel surface? It certainly looks like it there. I don't know, got to think on this some more. So just as a sanity check here, 1478. 1479. So, not a very flat surface there. And I got a good bite there. So, 1485. One 485. So this was my high corner. So it's thicker. This is my high corner when I'm reading it. off the face here, this face, 85, which is higher than 79. So it somewhat correlates with what I'm finding when I go this way. So I think we're going to go ahead and put a grind on it. See what we get. Well, here we are with the finished pass. Had some issues while grinding this. Had the coolant shut off on me. I had run out of hydraulic fluid as the machine was running, and had a crash also. I only got another half inch to go, and it's going to be done. Hallelujah. Here's a little finished walk around of the completed vise. It turned out nice. I think it's going to be a heck of a tool for my buddy, and had a lot of fun, but a lot of work to get it done. Take care.